In this video, we illustrate Wakame visualization and show its use in a prototype visualization system. In this example, we use multi-dimensional time series sensor data recorded in each room of an 11-office workspace. This Wakame shows the data from one of these rooms. Wakame are extruded radar graphs that grow up from their respective locations in the workspace. The changing profile of a Wakame along the up axis corresponds to changes in the recorded data over time. Wakame leverage people's inherent ability to understand and recognize shape. Because its geometry is derived from the underlying data, a Wakame's shape implies meaning. Our prototype system includes a timeline that allows the user to select various time ranges from the dataset. The Wakame animate to display the selected data. The cells in this timeline are colored using a user-defined difference function, which can be tailored to the task at hand. These colors are updated whenever there is a change in the selected dataset, dimensions, or Wakame. In the 3D scene, the portions of the floor plan which are associated with the selected Wakame are colored based on their similarity to one another. As dimensions are hidden and shown, Wakame adjust their geometry accordingly. In addition to hiding and showing dimensions from the original dataset, users are able to define their own derivative dimensions using a simple scripting language. Sophisticated users can author their own derived dimensions to aid in their sense-making and exploration of the dataset. Multiple datasets can be compared by rendering multiple overlapping Wakame with a semi-transparent texture. The differences in shape correspond to differences in the datasets. In this mode, the timeline reflects differences between datasets. For datasets that include a large number of Wakame, we provide tools for collapsing and expanding groups. In this example, the 11 Wakame in this office space are organized into 4 HVAC zones. When collapsed, a virtual Wakame displays the average values of all of its children. Wakame are designed to present high-dimensional time series data in a manner that helps the viewer make sense of complex datasets. That said, familiar 2D representations of the data are still desirable in some situations. 2 transformations in our prototype support this goal. The first transformation collapses the spatial dimensions of the Wakame into a traditional line chart. When in this mode, all of the controls for selecting time ranges, dimensions, datasets, and Wakame still function, as do the analytic portions of the user interface. The second transformation collapses the time axis of the Wakame, resulting in a traditional radar graph. Both transitions are animated so that the relationship between the data and its spatial location is maintained. In order to explore this design space and refine our prototype, we have explored several datasets, including this dataset of recorded performance metrics from a distributed HVAC system. And this dataset representing energy use and generation for the 50 states in the US. While explored less thoroughly than our building environment dataset, these examples have motivated several additions to our system and have pointed out further areas for improvement.